I'm gonna pull my first shot with my Starbucks Reserve Rwanda whole bean that I got in their subscription service. I've made a pour over with it. It's very nice. Definitely very floral, bit of nuttiness. Quite nice indeed. So get some grinds going. I haven't really dialed this in, but I don't have a lot of the beans to sort of waste, so I'm kind of going to guess here. Alright, maybe a little longer in extraction than I was hoping for, but here we go. Pretty good crema there. And yeah, it's just nice, nice and smooth. Really bright florals. Kind of a nice nuttiness. Get some good caramel taste there. So definitely wish I had a few more pounds of this. But Rwanda bean, quite nice.